Hi guys, today I have this cute braided cap wig and this is the packaging, you all. It came with a stocking cap and it has a hairnet, so I'll go ahead and take the net off so you can see how it is looking. And this is how it's looking, guys. It's nice and simple, very easy to put on, you all, and the braids are really nice. It could take a lot more braid, but this can work.
I don't want to get into a routine and then give up. Right now, I'm focused. Right now, I'm committed because I don't want to keep starting and stopping. I don't want to get into a routine and then give up. But in this period of being obsessed with who I'm becoming, obsessed. I don't want to disrespect.
As you can see here, the back of the wig has an adjustment on the cap, so this is really nice, so you can adjust to your own liking. I'll leave a link in the description. If you're interested in this braided cap wig, you can go check it out. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye.
Obsessed with who I'm becoming. Obsessed. I don't